They're invisible, deadly, and back in demand.
Why can't I? Oh, it's not on.
Is that video? That would explain it.
Y'all get too close, I'ma squeeze the life out of you. You speak too loosely with your words, I'ma silence you. You ain't a leader, dog, nobody died for you. You ain't a killer, dog, who the fuck lied to you? And I don't even fuck with y'all ballerinas. Tryna tiptoe by me, I'ma stab your team up. Tryna get dough by me, I'ma snatch your cream up. Cause my squad gotta eat and y'all can't come between us. Thoughts are blowing my fucking head off when I look at my gun. I cock back, can't squeeze when I look at my son. I stop that, can't breathe, y'all wouldn't walk in my shoes. I'm antisocial, don't speak unless I talk with a...
In fear I'm drowning, as my heart keeps pounding. Striking in the stead, you hold on to what's left. Hold on to the strings of reality, bouncing on my heel of prosperity. Me by myself with a gleam in my eye, watching it all, watching it die. It's so hard to see it all fall through, but it's too late, nothing left to do. Refugee, I'm an enemy of your belief. Don't hate me, because I disagree. Release me from a world unkind, a world where the blind is leading the blind. It's so unfair that I can't feel free, that I have to be what you want me to be. Shadows of the past keep stabbing my back, reminding me of when I slipped out of track. Now it's in the time, another morning dawning, a town where the restless keeps on joining. Refugee, I'm an enemy of your belief. Don't hate me, because I disagree. Refugee, I'm an enemy of your belief. Don't hate me, because I I'm an enemy of your belief. Don't hate me, because I disagree. Refugee, I'm an enemy of your belief. Don't hate me, because I disagree.